welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is a very exciting video as always. All my videos are always super exciting. This one is really exciting because I am going to be using the NORVINA palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I will be doing this makeup look, and it is quite the different look, different from what I've always done. Obviously both eyes are always the same colors, but today I've experimented with something new and I really like the outcome of it, and I really hope you guys do as well. But I will be just playing with the NORVINA palette and just using the beautiful shades that came in this palette, and I think this palette is just gorgeous. I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen it on Anastasia's Instagram, but they have so many looks, so many swatches of this beautiful palette. And I'm just a collector of Anastasia Beverly Hills' products, so every palette that they come out with, I just know I need to get it. So I think this is a very pretty palette. I love the shades and everything in there, and this packaging is about to get dirty, but it's super clean right now. But so nice. It just has NORVINA's name right across the front here, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's really nice. I really love it. Definitely love the shade, and I love they went a little bit different down here. 7 shimmer shades up here, and then 7 matte shades down here, which is super cool because usually it's always mixed in. I really like this palette, and I love the look and I love the way it turned out. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then please continue watching. So we are zoomed on in to my face, and we are going to just jump right into the beautiful NORVINA palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's still so nice and clean on the outside. Anastasia's usual packaging, as always, the velvet packaging, really nice and sleek. And it's purple. Right, so first off, we are always going to start with the transition color, and that one is going to be the shade Eccentric. Pop this right onto the crease. I am going to do mine a little bit different today. It's not going to be too different. I am still using the same technique that I've always used when doing makeup. There are fallouts in this palette as usual. We already know Anastasia's palettes are really pigmented and the colors are so blendable and nice. So yeah, that's what I have on my eyes. So one side of my eyes, I'm going in with Passion. It's like a nice burgundy purple shade. So I am popping this onto my right eye, and I am just going to put that color on the outer corners and on the inner corners a little bit. I'm just dragging it into the inner. I'm just leaving that space in the middle as always. And then on the other side, I am going in with the shade Soul. It's like a nice light purple shade, because I really want to incorporate more colors into my eyes. I am going to be doing 2 different colors on this outer corners. It's something a little bit different. I don't really usually do this, but I thought that this was really pretty and I just needed to use more colors. Putting this on my left side, and I am just blending it out, the outer corners. And then of course I am going to cut my eyelids with my soft ochre pink pot. I know, the usual, but I just love this trick so much. And we are going to fill in the center of our eyes, and I am going in with this beautiful gold shade called Summer. And that shade is going in both eyes. beautiful. Towards the outer corners of my eyes, I'm going in with another color. So for this side, I am going in with the shade Rose Gold. I could not pass up on this shade. It's so pretty. That is going right smack in between Summer and Passion. On the other side, I am going in with Celestial. Of course, I go in with Soul and just darken the outer corners. To the right side, go in with Passion and darken the outer corner. I am also going to be adding eyeliner onto this look as well. So I am going in with my Pretty Vulgar The Ink gel liner. Alright, so the liner is on, but that is not all that I'm going to do with the liner. I am going to be adding the Heavy Metal liner from Urban Decay, and this is in the shade AC/DC. I'm going to add that right on the liner. This is also like a purple liner, so I just really wanted to amp it up. Add that on there. We are going to bronze ourselves, and it is only fitting that we use Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we are going into the powder bronzer, and this is in the shade Tawny. To add some powder bronzer onto the cheeks. I will be going into my Jouer Adore Blush Duo. I'll be using the shade Adore Me. Popping that onto the cheekbones. Let's go back and finish the eyes. So what we are going to do next is underneath the eyes, and then with this Anastasia brush on the right side, I am going in with Passion, of course. This is the one with Passion on it. I'm going to flip the brush around, and I'm going in with Soul onto the other side. Just want to do color coordinate the eyes. Then I am going to go in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, upper and lower waterline. And that is going to be black. You cannot forget the inner corners. Inner corners, I am going in with the shade Dreamer. I'm popping that right on the inner corner. Moving on to some lashes, we got the Morphe Seductress lashes. Okay, so I am done with the face as well, besides the highlighter, and I have the lips to go. And so for highlighter, I am going in with the Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic Palette. I will be going into the center shade, so that is Ultraviolet, and this is in the shade Amethyst. I want to go in also into my Hyper Real Glow palettes from MAC. I'm just going to put a little bit of the center shade onto the apples of the cheeks. So just mixing the two shades. And then we are finishing off with some lips. So this is the Smashbox Always On lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. And I am going to finish off with some Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This has been my go-to setting spray. Oh my gosh, it's just super good. Alright you guys, and this concludes the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this look for you all. Like I mentioned before, like throughout this whole video, it's a really different look and a really different technique I've never really done before. So I really enjoyed it, and it's really cool, and I just love makeup so much. You just play with it, just do so many things to it. I mean, at the same time, it's also kind of difficult because there's just so much you can do, and I just love it so much. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoy my background. I did do a different background. I'm still testing everything out. I'm just trying all kind of backgrounds because I was kind of tired of my black background, but I do really love my black background because it's just simple, you know. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you all leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.